Who? I only see one person.
I know they is a little confusing. Some people use ze or zer.
Pronouns for non-cisgendered people. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Trans people get it a lot.
Oh, you're just trans. You don't look trans.
You can't say that either.
What? I say she look good.
It's they. They look good.
Not.
It's fine. I'm Eva.
Hello, Eva. I'm Mr. Kim, and this is a censorship agent.
It's nice to meet you both.
Nice meeting all of you, too.
Bye.
Okay, see you.
That's not how it works.
My wife, come here. God put me to sleep in the realm of the spirit. She fashioned her from me. She looks like me. We are both species of human being. I'm a male species. She's a female species. That is the law of nature. But God fashioned her differently from me. God gave her something based on her role in the family. And that thing is this. It's a man with a womb and shall become a womb man. A woman. Because she carried the baby. No matter how big my stomach I can carry it. Even the Lord can say I can be a woman, but the truth of the matter is nation define me as a man, and nation define her as a woman because she carried the womb.
I go by they or them.
They're gender neutral.